comfy. I'm into it.
It's really nice and soft.
It's pretty squishy, which I like.
This is nice.
I feel like all my curves are being filled. It's filling my curves.
I have been sleeping on my Casper mattress for about 2 years now. I really like it. It's super comfortable.
I don't feel like it's like I'm sinking too far into it. It has enough firmness. I'm into it.
I'm gonna get off the bed to see what the edge support is like. Here I go. It's good. It's not like the edge of the mattress bends. You know what I mean? Like a lot of mattresses just like stay when you get off. It's good. I didn't feel like I had a hard time getting out of the bed.
So my alarm goes off. I get up. Ooh, I don't love that. Like the edge does feel a little like I'm gonna slide off of it.
And then my alarm goes off. It is like a little like you're in a sinking couch, but it's not so bad.
The edge support, I never even knew that was a thing on a mattress, but it's like, it doesn't stay firm all the way to the edge, I guess. It doesn't stay supportive.
The corners are not as reinforced as I would like. They kind of feel like over time, since I've had the mattress, that they kind of have sloped downward a little bit. I just wish that they were a little bit more reinforced.
Like normally when you sleep with someone in a bed, you both sort of like roll to the center.
Yeah,
and
that's
not
a good point.
happening at all, actually.
Wow.
Good point. You feel me like trying to fidget my way into a good sleeping position?
No. Like if I was facing this way, I would have no idea someone else was in the bed.
Okay, go to bed, Maddie. Okay. I have to go pee.
Didn't notice.
Fastest pee ever. I'm back.
Yeah, that would not wake me up.
Okay, so because my husband moves around a lot in his sleep, I wanted to kill him on my other mattress because he would like shake and it would wake me up constantly. The Casper, I have to say, is pretty stable. He still thrashes around in his sleep randomly and I don't wake up as much, so I really like it for that aspect.
Okay, so I'm going to pour some wine, put it on the bed, try not to make a mess. Oh, don't look at my pouring skills.
You know me, Wednesday afternoon.
It's a little wobbly, but it didn't go anywhere.
Some of us like to just have a nice, good, healthy serving of wine.
That's pretty good. This is all my force.
I mean, yeah, like it's not moving at all. Getting closer, still not moving. That's cool. If I was like, oh, I have a text, gotta get something over here.
Yeah, it's not going anywhere, which is pretty impressive.
Especially like if I move down here and even bounce, wow, nothing happens. Good job, mattress makers.
From what I can tell, this is like an 8, solid 8.
Even though I insulted the edge support, that's not like a make or break for me. So like the rest of the mattress is so nice. I like it a lot. It's soft, and I'm impressed by the wine glass test. I give this mattress a 9. Final answer.
If I was ranking a mattress, like, I mean, for its price and what you're getting out of it, I think I'd give it like a good 10, to be honest, which is kind of shocking. I did not expect that getting into this bed.
I feel like it's a good mattress to share with someone else because they wouldn't feel you getting up in the middle of the night. I would rank this mattress an 8.5. I would recommend it to anyone who likes slightly softer mattresses and people that have 2 people sleeping in it.
I would definitely recommend buying the Casper mattress. I really loved how easy and quick it was when it came and just shipping and how it arrived. It was like you cut open the box and it just unfolds. And I really do like that 2 people can lay in bed and one person can be thrashing around like crazy and the other person doesn't really feel it. Like that was